Welcome to Leader Feeder. Today, I want to tackle an important subject for many frontline leaders. I want to talk about how you can create a sense of urgency on your team. Frontline leaders often complain that their team members are lazy, that they work harder at avoiding work than actually doing the work, and they have no sense of urgency in terms of completing tasks. Pace of work is important because the more you can produce, the better your results. So the question is, why don't employees work as fast as their supervisor or manager wants them to? Well, here are a few possible reasons. There are no standards, or the standards haven't been communicated. Have you really determined what the right amount of work is for your team and what the pace should be? Then we might actually end up tolerating slow work instead of correcting it. So if we let people get away with working too slow versus the standard, they're going to think it's okay. And the last main reason that your team might not work as urgently as you'd like them to is that you as the leader aren't leading by example, and you have no sense of urgency yourself. Now, being laid back as a leader is probably a good thing generally, but unfortunately it can also communicate to your team that, it's okay if it takes a bit longer than usual. So the question is, how much work can your fastest employee do? And what's the difference between your fastest employee and your slowest worker? If you want to close that gap between your fastest and slowest employee, you'll want to be able to communicate the standard, understand what amount of work is required and where are they now. Then you can use coaching or correcting to address the lack of urgency. And finally, set the example with your own pace of work. Because if you tend to hustle a little bit more as a leader, your team picks up on the fact that it's important to work quickly and, of course, safely and with high quality. Now, once you've mastered the art of creating a sense of urgency for your team and you have them hustling in their pace a little bit more, you might be interested in improving some of your other leadership skills. And so I wanted to mention this handy guide that we have called What Great Supervisors Know. This book is available for free in the e-version if you just visit our website at uniquedevelopment.com. Or what some companies will do is they'll buy enough of these to equip their entire team on the shop floor. They're reasonably priced in bulk. Now, in addition to that, you may want to bring us in to do live training, and so you can arrange that conversation again through our main website at uniquedevelopment.com. Or if you just want to stay more connected to us, you can connect on LinkedIn, Twitter, or on Facebook. And on Facebook, you can search us out at Frontline Leader.